Glamours, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. This is your Glamorous Penny Pincher Shalomi, and today I'm coming to you with the easiest and quickest DIY ever on some cloches that I made, and I'd love for you to see them. But before I get into the DIY, I just want to give you a quick update on my 30-day detox that I did with the Teamy Blends product, the teas. I just want to update you on that before we get in the video. Okay, so if you saw my live a few days ago, you would know that my operation, I had my surgery 2 months ago. So I'm 2 months post-op and I'm doing very, very well. Thank you for all of you who asked. But what I did was, in an effort to kind of get my system kick-started back, with healthy habits and stuff, I used Teamy Blends. I went on their 30-day detox and it helped tremendously. Okay, so for starters, I lost some weight. I lost about 7 pounds with the Teamy. I could have lost more, to be honest, but my birthday was during that time and I was not as diligent as I needed to be during that week. Okay, let's be honest. But overall, I've lost 7 pounds. So what the 30-day detox is you have 2 teas that you drink. There is the skinny tea that you drink on a daily basis, and then there is the detox tea that you drink every other night. So I did that for 30 days. They taste amazing, by the way. Let me tell you, there are a lot of teas that are like, well, it tastes nasty and I just can't. No, they taste amazing because I am off the 30-day detox, but I still had a little bit of the skinny tea left over, and I still drink it like as regular tea. So that was number one. I lost some weight. The biggest accomplishment that I've seen, or the biggest results that I've seen with the Teamy Blends, is the non-scale victories. My non-scale victories, where I am fitting my clothes better. So I've lost inches. I honestly haven't measured how many inches I've lost, but I know that I've lost inches because my shirts, some of them are fitting better. I'm getting into like jeans and stuff that I wasn't able to get in prior to going on the 30-day detox, so I know it definitely helps. But the biggest and the best result that I can speak to is my energy level. OMG, I am so energetic, never tired. And another thing with that is that I don't have that craving for sweets as I used to have before, and that was one of the things that they said that it would help with, was your sweet cravings. So I don't have sweet cravings as much now as I did before, but my energy level, I can definitely attest to my energy level going up, hitting the roof, okay? Because I am iron deficient and I am tired at the drop of a hat. Like real quickly, I'm tired. But ever since I've started, or I've done the 30-day detox, my energy level has gone sky high, and I'm so grateful for that. Because post-op, it takes you a while to kind of get back in the swing of things. But my energy level, I'm telling you, has skyrocketed, and I am so grateful to Teamy Blends. Highly recommend it. As a matter of fact, I will leave you a code right below here, as well as in the description box. That way you can go ahead and order your 30-day detox, or any other product for that matter, from Teamy Blends, and check their products out. Amazing.
For this DIY, you will need just 2 items and your glue. First, you will need one of these small little dessert bowls. I got this one from the Dollar Tree a while back. Very beautiful, very short. You will also need a big vase that looks like a bell or a trumpet. This one came from the Salvation Army, but I do believe you can get them at the dollar store as well. And to put it all together, you will need some glue. This one is from the Dollar Tree, or you can use E6000. Now, before putting your pieces together, be sure to wash them in warm water and wipe them down with a dry cloth to get rid of any debris that might be hanging around. Now that I have everything cleaned, I will be using my dessert bowl, which will be the handle of the cloche, and I am adding the glue all the way around the perimeter, carefully making my way around just so I don't have anything leaking down the sides. You want to add enough glue without overdoing it. Once you are satisfied with the amount of glue that you have added, you want to make sure that you flip your vase upside down and place the dessert bowl carefully to the very center of your vase. At this point, you're just checking it out, making sure that it's exactly where you need it to be, and then you can put it aside for at least a couple hours, but for best results and for it to dry and cure properly, you may want to leave it for 24 hours. I already had one that was cured for 24 hours, so now let's go ahead and style it. And here we are, penny pinchers. My cloche is finished and it is absolutely gorgeous. Look at that detail from the dessert bowl that I've glued onto the top. And I've styled it using some items from my kitchen. So I have this beautiful teacup stacked on a few coasters. And then as the base, I'm using this really pretty plate with pink and sparkles. And to tie everything together, I have this beautiful topiary ball. You know, greenery ties everything together beautifully. I think it turned out absolutely gorgeous. I actually made 2 of these and they are sitting on top of my entryway table. And for the center piece, I have my flowers that I showed you in my living room tour and my haul, sitting in a beautiful tray. And I've added a touch of Easter with that bunny as well as the happy Easter egg. And here it is, the other cloche. Absolutely gorgeous. I am so pleased with the way they turned out. Okay, I've done a little bit of a change for you, and I've just changed the items and added my happy Easter egg along with the bunny and a candle, just to show you the different ways that you can use this cloche. It is very tall and it can fit a lot of stuff, a lot of items, but I am just absolutely in love with it. It's crisp, it's clean, and it is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, now I have flipped the cloche right side up so it can stand as a vase, and that was one of the reasons why I was careful to use the dessert bowl, because it can still stand in an upright position. And I've just incorporated some of the items that I had before, which are the beautiful topiary sitting on top of this beautiful teacup and on a candle stand. I think it's absolutely gorgeous both ways. Leave me a comment in the comment section below and let me know what you think. Okay, here is the last look for you. I'm using pineapples this time in the same tray. And what I've done is I'm using one of the cloches as a like a cake dome. So I'm actually using the base, which is the cake stand, and then place the pineapple in and place the cloche over it. Absolutely gorgeous. And then for the second one, I've just left it at table level without any elevation, and just elevated the pineapple using the same coasters that I did before. And in the center, I've just incorporated the candle on a candle stand. Alright guys, that is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. I truly do appreciate your time. If this is your first time seeing my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I would love for you to become a part of the Penny Pincher family by hitting the subscribe button below.
And don't you forget to hit that notification bell. That way you are the first to know when I upload a video. And to all my lovely penny pinchers, thank you guys so much. Love you, love you, love you. Until the next video, this is your glamorous penny pincher Shalomi saying bye-bye.